Welcome back to Epic Game Tech. Now, can you get a PC case with a tempered glass panel under 23 euros, which is 26 US dollars? I was planning my next build and searching for a new case. During YouTube reviews browsing session, I've accidentally stumbled upon one video. One guy was checking out DeepCool chassis with a tempered glass panel for dirty cheap as low as 30 US dollars. I knew I had to look into this and see it with my own eyes. It's called DeepCool Matrexx 30 and it appears it's even cheaper in my country. I've got this one for less than 23 euros or 26 US dollars. Let's have a closer look. The packaging is a standard one. The case is covered with plastic bag and foam panels from two sides. However, tempered glass is not covered with a film, so you will not get that satisfying feeling when peeling it off. It's really compact case, so a regular ATX motherboard will not fit, but most of a budget or even mid-tier builds use M-ATX motherboards anyway. Really nice to see a ridge on the back panel, especially since it's a small case and we need that space for a better cable management. Front panel design is something similar to vertical raindrops, nothing special, but probably it looks cool with an RGB case fan behind it. And here comes full-sized tempered glass side panel. At the back, we have an included exhaust fan, but generally I would recommend adding an intake fan as well. At the bottom, we have a dust filter, so your power supply could live a dusty-free, careless life. The top panel consists of power and reset buttons, one USB 3 and one USB 2 port, and a headphone and mic jacks. Let's move on and check what we have inside. There are lots of cable management holes, but they do not have rubber grommets. But again, I'm not expecting this in a budget chassis. As I mentioned before, there is an included exhaust fan. It has a 3-pin header and a Molex one, in case you are short of fan headers on your motherboard. But keep in mind, when using Molex, a fan will spin at 100% and might get noisy. There are two removable 5.25-inch and 3.5-inch drive installation positions, and in total you can install two 2.5-inch and three 3.5-inch drives. But have in mind, there is 250mm and 2-slot GPU clearance, so in case you have a longer or thicker GPU, you might need to remove a 3.5-inch position completely. Top panel wires are long enough and you will not have any troubles regarding cable management, with 6 zip ties included. I just wanted to show you guys what's hiding under a front panel. A dust filter for your future intake fan. As I mentioned before, I would definitely recommend adding an intake fan at the front of the case. Since it's a very small case, the airflow might be an issue. I will definitely test this in upcoming build video, but for now I'm still waiting for some parts to arrive. What can I say? Everything looks good, and having in mind you get a tempered glass side panel, it's awesome. I just can't believe that under 23 euros or 26 US dollars I can build a nice looking budget system with such a side panel. Soon I will be building an ultra budget PC under 120 euros or 130 US dollars and will be using this case, and so I will be able to check thermals as well. Interested? Subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss it. And see you soon!